Welcome back. In this video, I'll be telling you how to set up your Google Classroom account and to create your first class. Now, the first and foremost thing for this is that you need a Gmail ID. It is a Google product and it is better that you work with a Gmail ID. Now, this Gmail ID may be your personal Gmail ID or it may be belonging to a domain, which may be your institutional domain. Now you have to be careful. If you are using your institutional domain, then your students must also join using their institutional domain IDs. And if you're using your personal ID, students must also join using personal IDs. Otherwise, there will be issues. Now I have created a Gmail ID for this particular purpose. It is rc.onlineclassfdb@gmail.com. You will be using your own IDs for this particular purpose. Now what you simply do is you click on this tab and type in this particular link, which is classroom.google.com. Please remember classroom.google.com. You go to this particular link and it takes you to the screen that allows you to create or join your first class. Now you'll be able to see this plus, click here. Now here you will be able to get two options, either to create a class. So if you're a teacher, you will be creating a class, or to join a class. Now this will be for your students. Now here you can see the mandatory set of apps that you get with Gmail. Of course, here you will have a drive wherein all your data will be stored, whatever you will be uploading to this classroom. Now here you have a set of classes that you can visualize once you create several classes. We'll be doing this once we set up a class. Now the first thing that I'll be doing is I'll be showing you the join class option. Now when you do join class, this is for a student, it asks you for a class code. Now once you create your class, you will be getting a class code that you can share with your students, and students can join using that particular code. As of now, we have not created any class, so there is no class code to share. Now I'll be clicking on the create class option. This is the first step that you have to take to set up your classroom. So I click on create class and I agree with the terms and I say continue. Now there are some set of questions or fields that it asks you. The first is the name of the class. So you can specify the name of the class corresponding to your choice. I'm going to specify, let's say BSc Honors Computer Science. I say section, let's say second year, and let's say machine learning. This will all be pertaining to you. These all fields are optional. This is the mandatory field that you have to specify, and you click on create. Now once you click on create, it will be setting up your classroom for you. The name of the class would be BSc Honors Computer Science. The subject would be machine learning. You will be creating your class with your suitable values. Okay, now the most important thing here is this particular class code, which I talked about earlier. If I click on this, you will be able to display this. Now this is the code that you have to remember and you have to share with your students, because through this they will be able to join your class. There is another way that you can allow students to join, but that we will discuss in a later video. So for now, I would really recommend that you pursue these steps and you reach to this particular step of generating your class code. So this is the class code corresponding to the class BSc Honors Computer Science second year. Now this is the basic layout that you will be able to see. Here you can see there is a communication option through which you can communicate with your students. Now in the next video, we will be covering these 4 tabs that you see. The first is stream, second is classwork, third is people, and fourth is grades. Till then, please create your Gmail accounts if you do not have and create a classroom. Thanks a lot.